Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for Neet. I'll discuss with you the most expected biology questions for Neet 2024 at regular interval, and definitely it will help you to qualify the Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let us keep the community growing, and also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Now, the question is, in which disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels? The options are elephantiasis, ascariasis, amoebiasis and ringworm disease. The answer will be option 1, elephantiasis, because lymphatic filariasis is commonly known as elephantiasis. It's a neglected tropical disease. Infection occurs when filarial parasite Wuchereria are transmitted to humans through mosquitoes. Infection is usually acquired in childhood and causing hidden damage to the lymphatic system. Now the next question is, which part of poppy plant is used to obtain the drug smack? The options are flowers, latex, leaves and roots. The answer will be option 2, latex, because smack is the other name for brown sugar or heroin. This extracted from the latex of the poppy plant. Latex is also known as raw opium, which is dried and converted to pure powder form. Then the next question is, match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. The options are the column fibrinogen, globulin, albumin are in column 1, and osmotic balance, blood clotting, defense mechanism. These are the names of proteins in list 1 and their functions in list 2. So the options will be and the answer will be option 3, because we know fibrinogen is responsible for blood clotting, globulin protein is responsible for defense mechanism, because immunoglobulin, we know it is also called as antibody, a major protein in our immune system, and the third, albumin protein, is responsible for the osmotic balance. Now we'll go for the next question. MALT constitutes about %% of the lymphoid tissue in human body. Option first is 50%, 20%, 70% and 10%. The answer will be 50%. MALT stands for mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. It consists of T cells, B cells and macrophages. It is distributed in association with mucosal tissue. So the answer will be 50%. Now the next question is, transplantation of tissue or organs fails often due to non-acceptance by the patient's body. Which type of immune response is responsible for such rejections? The options are autoimmune response, cell-mediated immune response, hormonal immune response and physiological immune response. So the answer will be option 2, cell-mediated immune response, because transplantation of tissues or organs faces the risk of rejection as it is recognized by the immune cells as non-self. The cell-mediated immune response is mainly involved in the rejection of the transplanted organs. The cell-mediated immune response mainly involves T cells, which release cytokines in response to foreign objects. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you, and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.